boy? Are you a
Hello,
good
hello.
boy? Hello.
Yes, hello.
Okay, all of you will switch off the mic. Only the one I am talking to should open the mic. Okay. Okay. So I am talking with Pranav Jyoti Sen. Pranav Jyoti Sen, you are DPS. You are from DPS Silchar, right?
Yes, sir.
Class 5.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. We'll talk more. Okay. You can now switch off the mic.
Sir.
Okay. Then this I cannot see the name. Gaurav Moral, are you there? Gaurav
Yes,
Moral,
sir.
are a good boy. You are in which school?
Shiksha Niketan,
Okay. Which class?
class 4.
Okay. Good boy. Okay. Okay. You can switch off the microphone. Now, I don't know who is this. OPPO A3S. Oppo A3S. I don't think a person name will be Oppo, but it is the mobile name. Anyway, then Sahil Ali, are you there?
Hi, bolo.
Hi. Sir.
Who is this? Who is this?
Sir,
Hey,
me.
what is your name? Tell me.
My name is Sahil Ali.
Oh, Sahil Ali. Acha, acha. Sahil Ali. You are from which school?
Shiksha Niketan,
Class?
4.
Good boy. Okay, Sahil Ali. We'll talk more. Now you can switch off microphone.
Hi.
Hi, who is this?
I'm Satviki.
Are Satwiki Bhattacharya. You are from which school?
Saint Teresa Secondary School,
Okay, which class?
class 2A.
Oh, are you good girl?
Yes.
Good. Now you can switch off. We'll talk more, okay? Switch off the microphone. Ah, good. Now we will go to whom? We'll go to, we still have 4 minutes time. We'll Satwiki is there. Okay, then we'll, who is there? I don't know the name. It's 7E9B23D8.
Hi, sir.
You are 7E9B23D8.
No.
No. Class
What is
2.
what is your name?
Vaibhav De.
Vaibhav De. You are from which school?
Gurukul Grammar Senior Secondary School.
Are you a good boy?
Yes.
Okay, we'll meet. We'll talk more. You can switch off the microphone. Then who else? Who else? We still have some time. Meghali, you can. Meghali, did we talk, Meghali? No.
Yes, sir.
Oh, so we have already have a talk. You are from which school? You told.
Shiksha Niketan.
Okay, so Meghali, you can switch off the microphone.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Meghali, thank you. But this 7E9B23D8, who are you? अच्छा चलो कोई बात नहीं. Who next one to introduce him or her? Okay, then
Hi, sir.
hi, what is your name?
Deepak Mothukulya.
Acha, you are from which school?
Shiksha Niketan.
Acha, okay, thank you. We'll talk more. Okay, now you can switch off the microphone.
Hi,
When I
sir.
say, who is this?
Sir.
Who is
Hello,
this?
sir.
Acha, first one, hello, sir. Who is this? First one.
Hello.
Hello, sir.
Yeah,
Hello, sir.
okay, I'll come to you one by one. Otherwise, there will be a mix up. Okay. Rest all of you switch off the microphone. I will only talk first with Angel and then come by one. Okay? Switch off the microphone, otherwise I can hear all the noises. Acha, Angel, you are from which school?
I'm from Guru Nanak.
Hello.
Okay, okay, we'll come back to
Hello,
you.
sir.
Yes, who is this?
Hello, sir.
Who is this?
Hello.
Who is this?
Hello, sir.
Hello.
So many
Hello, sir.
hello. So many hello. I will go mad. So yeah, first of all, one by one. Okay. Just first, I see mic on off. This Galaxy M0. Okay, that has become off. Then I see mic open of Sania Yasmin. Sania Yasmin. Sania.
Hello,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, Sania. Which school are you in?
Shiksha Niketan,
Which class?
class 4.
Okay. You are a good girl?
Yes.
Okay. Okay. You can switch off the mic.
Hello,
Yes.
sir. Hello, sir.
Good evening.
Yes, sir. Tell me.
Hello, sir.
Yes,
Hello,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir. I can see. I can hear lots of hellos now. So, first of all, Priyanka Nahata,
Hi, sir.
you are from which school?
Don Bosco High Secondary School.
Okay, we'll talk more. Then I'll
Hello,
quickly
sir.
go to Siddhartha Dotto. Siddhartha,
Hello, sir.
you are from which school?
Blooming Birds School.
Arre baap re.
Hello, sir.
Hello, who is this?
Ma'am, sir, I'm Gaurav Das.
I am Gaurav Das. Okay, okay. So we are now everyone switch off the mic.
Hi, sir.
Hi.
Hello, sir.
So everyone now.
Hello, sir.
Hello,
Hello, sir.
hello.
Hello, sir.
Hello. Okay,
Hello, sir.
okay. All done now.
Hello,
sir.
My name is Srishti Joshi.
Okay, Srishti, how are you?
Hello, sir.
Who is
Fine,
this?
sir.
Hello.
Okay, now we'll no more hello now. Okay, we are on time. It is 7:30. So all of you switch off the mic and I will only talk. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Who is left to switch off?
Okay, sir.
Siddharth. Okay. Sania Yasmin. Switch off
Yes,
the
sir.
mic. Switch off the mic. Okay, good. So everybody has switched off the mic. So I see there are lots of good boys and girls joined today. They are so ruly. They are very much following the rules. So this is so nice of you. And those who want to tell me hi, they can always message me. So, and we'll have lots of talk at the end. Okay, we'll have lots of talk at the end. So first of all, thank you all of you for joining us in this webinar. So what we are going to talk? We are going to talk about snakes and what? Lizards. Even if I say what, you don't answer now, you answer at the end. We will discuss, but be very attentive. And I will also show you something very interesting and you have to tell me how do I look. Okay. I have found it a very new thing. Okay. You have to write in the comment. Do I look good? How do I look?
Good.
No talking, only in the message you write, no talking. So you see, there are so many options in Zoom you can do, you see? Okay. So did you like it? Yes or no? Should I keep it? Okay. Should I keep this avatar of mine or should I stop it? You just write. So, okay. So, what will...
Sir, you look funny.
Ah, thank you. So,
Class chalo na? Huh?
so switch off, all of you switch off the mic. Okay. So what we'll do now is talk about Sahil. Sahil Ali, switch off the mic.
Yes.
Please switch off the mic. Okay. Now we'll talk about what we are going to talk today. We are going to talk about amphibian, lizards and snakes. So for your benefit, I will bring a screen, okay? Screen recording or present my screen, okay? All the answers you will give the answer in the message by writing, not by talking now, okay? So tell me what is behind me? What is behind me? Can you see this? I have just gone up to show you. So you have to write and tell me what it is. Acha, let's see who is writing. Let's see who is writing. Yeah, snake. Good. This is a snake. So now I will small screen recording. I will share with you. Okay. So first of all, we will today talk about snakes and lizards. Snakes and lizards মানে সাপ আৰু জেঠি বা সাপ আর টিকটিকি. So we'll talk about snakes and lizards. So snakes and lizards are everywhere. Sometimes we see them, sometimes we don't see them. We don't give them a value. We are interested in seeing tiger. We are interested in seeing lion. We are interested in seeing rhino, but we are not too much interested in lizards and snakes. But they are very important. They live around us. If you see in your home, you will see small lizards all around your home. They are very important. I will tell everything, okay, about them as much as possible. Okay. So you see, what is a lizard? Acha, as we tell the story of lizard, you also have to tell me, do you like it or not? Do you like this cartoon? This is a beautiful lizard, right? So this is a house lizard that we have.
Yes, we like it.
But don't switch on the microphone, because if you switch on the microphone, many other will also switch on, and then I cannot tell anything. Everybody will. You just comment by writing, okay? Don't switch on the microphone, because then I will get so many noises that I will not be able to talk. At the end, one by one, like a good boy and a good girl, we will discuss many things that you want to answer. You want answer for. Okay, so this is a lizard, and this is a very cute lizard that you see in your house, but you never pay attention to them. Okay. So I hear another mic switch on. Please switch off the mic. Okay. So have you heard about reptile? Write only in typing, yes or no. Have you heard about reptile?
Yes, sir.
Only writing, no, not through microphone, because one person if they say yes, it's okay, but everybody if at a one time they switch on the microphone, it will be a problem. You just answer by typing. So you know lizard. I see the comment and I know that you know reptiles. Okay. So what are reptiles? This is a problem. Today what I teach, I will ask you questions in between. Okay. I will ask you questions. So what are reptiles? I will tell you at the end. Remember all these points. I will ask you. Okay. So reptiles in India, reptiles are snakes, lizards, and turtles, and crocodiles. These are reptiles. What are reptiles? Snakes, one group. Lizards, one group. Frogs are not reptile. Frogs are amphibian. Snakes, okay. Lizards, okay. Turtle, okay. And finally, crocodile, okay. These are reptiles that you found in India. Okay, done. Next, what is so special about reptiles? Reptiles have scale over their body. So if I don't know, if I have a snake here, I will try to show you. I generally have a rubber snake here. I keep a rubber snake. I think it is not there today. But anyway, reptiles have scales over their body. They have scales. You see here in the screen, if you see this, there are scales over the body of the reptile. Remember, what is reptile? Scales. They will have scales over their body. Their skin is dry. The snake will have a sticky skin. No, it is dry. Thick. They lay egg. Reptile lay egg. Then generally they have 4 legs, but snakes do not have 4 legs, and they are cold-blooded. What are cold-blooded animals? We are warm-blooded animals. If you touch, we are hot. But snake, if you touch, it is cold. So their blood is cold. Now, for giving you an example, for example, your father has bought fish in home, live fish, and somebody is cutting the fish. After cutting the fish, no smoke will come up in the winter season if you cut the fish. But in winter season, if you cut a chicken, you will see small little vapor coming up of the chicken. Because chicken is warm-blooded, but fish is not warm-blooded. Similarly, reptiles are not warm-blooded. So lizard, snakes, what? Turtles, crocodiles, they are not warm-blooded. They are cold-blooded. Okay? Okay. But I will ask question. Be prepared. Next. So most fascinating reptile that you know. Okay. Again, there is a question. How many of you, not in mic, only in comment. How many of you have seen the movie Jurassic Park? I will wait. I will see here your chat. How many of you? Yes? No, not in mic, only in answer. How many of you have seen Jurassic Park? Quickly. Fatafat. I'll just read who is giving what answer. Pranav Jyoti says yes. Pulkit, yes. Oppo, A3, yes. Srishti, oh, yes. I have not seen in Kamal. I have no. Kamala, you should tell your parents that they should let you see Jurassic Park. It is a beautiful movie where there are lots of dinosaurs shown, because we cannot see dinosaur because dinosaur is gone. It is extinct. It is okay. My name is Bhumika. Okay. So dinosaur is extinct. What is extinct? Any animal, any species which are no longer found on earth. Is once they were there, now they are not. That is known as extinct. They are no longer present. Dinosaur is an extinct species. Now, it is a very tough question, I know, and I will try to answer in the last part. Oniket or Rupankar should remember this question. Why do you think? You can try out writing, okay, in the comment. Why do you think dinosaur got extinct? Why? At the end, if I forget, any of you should remind me, okay? Why dinosaur got extinct? The question is why dinosaur got extinct. So you know dinosaur got extinct. Extinct means the species is no longer found in the earth once they were there. So it is much earlier when dinosaur in the Jurassic or Triassic period, in the very starting, dinosaur, the earth has been divided into Kaushik Bora, very good answer. Kaushik Bora has already almost given the answer. And then Siddhartha Dotto, Oppo A3, they are giving almost. I will discuss with that. Okay, I will check all the comments later. Okay, so this is you people. Somebody has switched on the microphone. Please switch off. Somebody, Aniket, you people just check. Anybody who is switching on, just tell them once to switch off. They may not unintentionally. Sometimes microphone gets switched on. I cannot see because I am sharing the screen, so I cannot. Uh, so
Sure, sir,
uh,
sure.
okay. So I see many so clever audience or so clever student or so witty student we have today. They know the answer. They know the answer. But there is a question. Who can answer? Let's see. I am looking at the comment. Why I have given Meghalaya story? Why I have given Meghalaya story? Here, Vaibhav, they say, I know all dinosaur name. We'll check at the end. Aniket, remember, we'll ask Vaibhav the names. But who knows that why I have written Meghalaya story here? Who knows? When I wrote dinosaur, why I have only those who read newspaper will know this. Only those who have a good habit. Students should have the habit of reading newspaper every day, little bit, or parents should tell them little bit of newspaper reading is very important. Every student, okay? Not only seeing those Rashi fall, huh? 5-star, 4-star. I see in the school student just want that page. Today I have 5-star. What it is written? That is useless. So I will show you why Meghalaya story. Okay, let me click here. See here.
There is an answer in the comments.
Okay, there I see because there are okay. So answer is not correct here absolutely, but here is the answer. GSI, Geological Survey of India scientists stumble upon 100 million year old dinosaur bone in Meghalaya, and that is a recent story. 8 May 2021. So that is a pride for our Northeast India, for Assam as a whole, because we are close sisters, Northeast. So a new dinosaur bone was found in Meghalaya. That is why I have given this slide. Okay. Okay. Now I'll go back to my presentation. Okay. So that is the Meghalaya story. Okay. Next.
Sir, I know about that.
Okay. What is your name? We will discuss later. Tell me your name.
Sir, your
Yeah.
video is not coming.
Aniket, my video is coming.
Yes, sir.
My screen share is coming.
Yeah. I think there's an internet problem.
Oh, you
Sir,
have
I
some.
have given an answer.
Okay, I will check at the end because I am looking into the slide. I will come to that. Okay, at the end, everybody will. I will talk. So to give you an idea, okay, I will now not tell you the name. Let's see who can answer this. What is the first snake? Aniket, please check the comment if somebody can give the correct answer. What is the first snake? Second snake?
Titanoboa.
No, not in mic, not in mic. Only in comment. Okay, don't switch on mic because then there will be a chaos. What is the first snake, second snake, third lizard, and fourth snake? Who can answer any of this? Switch off the mic. Who has mic is open? So who can answer? Let's see. Some answer is coming. Acha, Redmi, Titonoboa. Okay. Manthan Datta, Titonoboa. Okay, let's wait if somebody else can give answer. Which one? You have to write first one, second one, third one, or fourth one. My question is, there are 4 pictures. Can you name any of these? Okay, I am just waiting for more answers. Let's see if they can answer. How good boys and girls are there. Okay, Redmi, tell me your name. Redmi, switch on the mic a little bit. Redmi.
Sir, Faisal.
So you have given the answer anaconda, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Faisal, remember, I will remember your name. Okay. Switch
Sir,
off.
another answer was right. Shreyan Raja.
I will not say right or wrong. Let them be. I will not comment. Okay. We will not comment about right or wrong. Okay. This is okay. So actually you should answer like 1, 2, 3, or 4. If you write which one is which one, we will never understand. So 1 is what? First write what is 1. What do you think the number 1 is? 1 is this one. Okay. So I will give you the answer. And many of you have given the right answer. But of number 1. Number 1, you have given the right answer. What is number 2? Anybody can give the answer? Number two. Number two. This one. Snake. Okay. Now again there is a mic switch on. Please switch off the mic. Okay. Now I will tell you. So reptiles are brilliant. Can you imagine a snake which does not have legs, which does not have hand? It can swim. It can climb trees. It can almost like walking on ground. Can you imagine? It does not have. So how it can do it? So they are very, very special. So when did reptile come to this earth? About 340 million years ago. I told you many types of reptiles are lizard, snake, crocodile, and turtle. Reptile eat 30 to 50 times less than us. Do you know? Remember this question. This is a very important question. And the one who can give this answer, you will get a special certificate from us. Okay? A special certificate from us, those who can answer. Why reptile eat 30 to 50 times less than us, even 80 times less than us? Mammals, human mammals. We eat, if a reptile eat 1 kg, we eat 5 kg or 8 kg. Why? So we need more food per day in comparison to reptiles. So the why reptiles need less food in comparison to us? Anybody who can answer this will provide you with a special certificate. Okay, so you have to write this answer in the comment box. Okay,
There is an answer in the comment.
okay, we will take the answer. Let me see the answer. Reptile are cold-blooded organism. No, that is not the correct. Reptile are cold-blooded, but why they need? Why? What is the implication? Why they need to eat less? If you can precisely give me the answer with detailed answer, where I can, because cold-blooded is just little bit of the answer. But why is that? Okay, I will wait for your answer. So
There is another answer.
okay. The another, it can store food in stomach till it get digested. Okay, let them give answer and I will come up with the correct answer at the end. Okay, and the one who gives the correct answer, Aniket, you just check on the answers. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So the one who we will try to read all those answers, and the one who has almost the correct answer, we will give them the answer. Okay, we'll give them a special certificate to them. Okay, next, green anaconda is the biggest, heaviest snake. Heaviest snake. These are all questions we will ask. Green anaconda is the heaviest snake. Heavy. Reticulated python is the longest snake. Longest. Spiny-tailed iguana is the fastest reptile. Okay, fastest lizard. And black mamba of Africa is the fastest snake. Green anaconda heaviest, python, reticulated python longest, spiny-tailed iguana among lizard fastest, and mamba is the fastest snake. It can like 8 km/h, 8 to 10 km/h it can move. Okay. Okay, to the next slide. So far, so good. Okay. So where are they found? They are found everywhere except for the little patch of cold area, Antarctic. They are found everywhere. Lizards, snakes are found everywhere apart from this cold small patch which is known as Antarctic. Where they are not found? They are cold-blooded. So in the cold temperature, they cannot survive. They will die. So they avoid in cold. They do not go in the cold area. So apart from Antarctic, they are found in most of the world. Okay. Okay. So how many species of reptiles are there in the world? There are how many? Sorry, how many species of lizards are there in the world? There are, again, a good question I will ask. There are 6972, almost 7,000 reptile species are lizard species are found in the world. So there are so many types of lizards. You see, I have given illustration of so many types of species of lizards that you can find in the some of them. Okay, some of the representative paintings, cartoons. Okay, so I will come to next slide. So do you know which is the smallest lizard? Nano chameleon. You have heard the word chameleon, right? You have heard the chameleon, the one which changes color. So the smallest chameleon is nano chameleon. Remember, nano particle. Nowadays, research is being done on nano particles. Nano means small. So nano chameleon is a small chameleon, which is the smallest lizard, which is just 13.5 millimeter. 13.5 means this much. You can see the finger. This is the finger of a person, and it is sitting on the finger of a person. So small. And this is a Komodo dragon, which goes up to 3 feet. 3 feet, you can understand. 3 meter, which is 3 meter is roughly 9 feet. More than 9 feet. So long. Okay. So this is the largest, this is the smallest. Okay, good. I will ask Komodo dragon, largest, nano chameleon, smallest. Chameleon and nano chameleon, smallest. So now tell me one thing. What is this? What is this? Just write. What is this? It's
Snake,
a
sir.
snake. Right. Don't answer in mic. It is
Sir, it's a snake.
okay. Don't answer in mic. Just write. Okay, let's see what you are writing. Snake, 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 snake. Eel. Somebody has written eel. Then again snake. Okay.
Sir, I had given the answer in the message.
Okay. What is your name?
Sir, Gaurav Moral.
Okay, no problem. I will don't use mic now. I am seeing all the answers. That is why I am waiting. So I am seeing the answer. So the answer, the correct answer is given by Manas Chetri. Okay, Manas Chetri has given the correct answer. Manas Chetri has said that it is a legless lizard, and it is correct. It is a lizard, not a snake. But it is, you are not wrong. It looks like a snake. But I told you there are many lizards which does not have legs. Okay. There are many lizards which does not have legs. So not having leg does not mean it is not a, it must be a snake. Okay. So if you see here, there are two heads. Okay. I will ask this, I will check if you have learned or not. If you see these two heads, one head is of snake and one head is of lizard. Now tell me, fatafat, upper one is of snake or lizard? Upper one is of snake or lizard? Let's see who can answer. Upper one is of, don't use mic. Don't use mic. Don't use mic. Only use typing. Only use comment. Okay, I am seeing, I am reading everyone's comment. Okay. So yeah, most of them have given right answer. Most of them, and apart from few. The upper one is snake and the lower one is lizard. Now I'll come to the answer. What is different between snake and lizard? What is different between snake and lizard? It is not having leg or not having leg, because if not having leg is equal to lizard, so a snake, so this would have been a snake, but it is not. It is a lizard. So I'll come to the answer. So here, if you see here, there is a small hole here. Can you see my cursor?
Yes, sir.
Okay, but
Yes,
don't use mic anymore. I got the answer. So if you see this cursor, there is a ear hole, but in snake there is no ear hole. So snakes do not have ear holes, but lizards do have ear openings. Next, Snakes do not have eyelids. Lizards generally have eyelids. So you cannot say it is lizard or snake just by seeing if it has leg or do not have leg. You have to see if he has a ear opening, the most important. All lizards have ear opening, snakes do not have ear opening. Okay. So that is it. So here, if you see here, this is the ear opening. This tiny tingu one, this is the ear opening of this lizard. So this is a lizard. Okay. So now you learned something new today. Yes or no? Write in comment. Yes or no? Quickly. Yes or no? I want your comment. You have learned something new? Yes, 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 yes. Now I like it. Yes. Great. So many yes. Brilliant. Okay. Thank you. You inspire me. You inspire me to bring more classes where we have fun as we learn. Okay. Okay. Fine. Thank you. You have learned something new. So not have legs, it doesn't mean it is snake. If you don't see ear opening, it is a snake. If you see ear opening, it is a lizard. Next. Good boys. You people are really good. We'll come up with many more classes. Don't worry. We'll enjoy. Now it's a question for you. Okay. Have you seen them? And you have to be very honest. Very, very, very honest. If you have seen, you have to write yes. If you have not seen, don't answer. You don't have to answer. If you have seen them, you write yes. If you have not seen them, you don't write any answer. Okay. Okay. Before I ask anything, people are starting writing yes, yes, yes. No, don't have to write yes now. What? I have not shown anything. Next clip, not this one. What I am going to show. So, have you seen this one? Have you seen this one, this lizard? Yes or no? Let's see what is, if anybody has seen that. And if you have seen this one, do you know the common name, Assamese name? Anyone who knows the Assamese name of this lizard? Or Bengali name?
Sir, what is this? Sir, what is this?
This is garden lizard. This is not chameleon. Okay, write more answer. Do you know what is it called in Assamese or Bengali?
Sir, Girgiti.
Who said it?
Sir, we have got Raksasa and Tetsia also in comments.
Okay, okay.
Sir, Girgiti.
Girgiti, okay.
Girgit, no, Girgit.
Girgit, yes. Okay.
Girgit, sir.
Okay.
Girgit.
It changes her colors also
Yes.
by her nature.
Yes, very good. So again, switch off the mic. So it is Girgit in
Okay,
Hindi.
sir.
In Hindi, it is Girgit. In Bengali, it is Girgiti বা রক্তচোষা. But in Assamese, it is Testia. Okay. And English, it is known as common garden lizard. Near our garden, it is very common. Your assignment will be from next day, if you have garden or small gardens near your home or fence, look carefully if you can see this. And if you can see this, you are being joined in a community, Inside Out Junior. So if you can photograph this or see this, just write in the this one, in the Inside Out community. Okay. And telling Inside Out community, I have something to tell you. Okay. So Inside Out, we are small team. We are doing small work where we are talking about nature to young people like you, and also mature and adult people like many other like us. So we have a Facebook page and we have a YouTube channel where we update videos on wildlife and everything. So
Sir, what is the name of the?
I tell
So
you,
what's the name?
I will tell you. I will tell you. Switch off the mic.
Sir, where?
I will tell you. I will tell you. Switch off the mic. So, in the group, you people are all in the group. So after this finishes, we will send you a link. Okay, in the group, in the WhatsApp group, which the name is Inside Out Juniors. So in that group or in the chat also, Rupankar,
Yes, sir.
in the chat box you write the URL of the Inside Out. Okay.
All right, I'm sending.
Okay. So I will write in the chat box also, but don't get distracted. Don't write now, Rupankar. Okay. Better you write after the end of the program in the chat box and also in the group. So nobody get
Okay, sir.
distracted and goes to the YouTube channel. Okay. After we finish, you go to the YouTube channel, go and see the videos, like the videos, share the videos and subscribe the channel so that you can see all the notification and all the new videos that we put. We all put small videos on wildlife. Okay. Okay. Next again there will be a question. Okay. That you have not seen. I know this is a very rare. I only saw this one time in Guwahati. This is known as this lizard is known as Khasi Hill forest lizard. As the name say, it is common in Khasi Hill. But I just wanted to show you that it's a green color lizard, so beautiful. It is not chameleon. Okay, it is what is known as calotes. Okay, it is not chameleon, but so beautiful, so pretty. Okay, okay. Next one. This is a flying lizard. I know none of you have seen maybe. This is a gliding lizard. It has wings.
Sir, I know about that.
Okay, what is your name? Tell me once.
Gaurav Moral.
Gaurav Moral, I'll come to you later at the end. So this has wings.
I know, sir.
What is your name?
Ma'am, I also. Sir, I
Ma'am,
also learned.
ma'am, who is this telling me ma'am? So anyway, the switch of the mic we'll discuss at the end. Okay, don't worry. We'll discuss everything. Adda, we'll give a lot of adda with all of you. But then you have to switch on your camera. Okay. Once we are at the end of the program, you have to switch off on your camera so that I can see you everyone talking. Okay. And otherwise, I will only show myself. You will not show yourself. How will I know if I meet you in the road tomorrow or sometime? How will you know? Why will I know you? Okay, this is Uronia jeti or Draco. Okay, switch off the mic. Somebody's mic is on. Okay, done. So this is a Draco. Very beautiful. It can glide. It does not fly like this. It does not fly like this. It glides like a parachute. Okay, birds only can fly. They glide. Okay, next one. This is again a
Sir, I didn't get the option camera.
Huh? Okay, at the end, I will help you. Not now. Switch off the mic at the end. Now, this is a fan-throated, very beautiful lizard, and it has a fan-like structure near the neck. It is blue fan-throated lizard. This is also found in Guwahati. So, can you imagine how rich is our Guwahati? How rich is our Guwahati? We just have to see. So, such a beauty. Have you imagined before that such beautiful lizards are living in Guwahati? So, this is a blue fan-throated lizard. Next, this you know, Asian glass lizard. It looks like glass, na? That is why glass lizard it is named, but very beautiful again. But this is not found in Guwahati, okay? Just to show you, I have shown it, okay? Even if it is found in Guwahati, I have never found it, okay? Next, this is day gecko. This is day gecko. Assamese day gecko. So we should feel proud. It is the name of Assam is associated with this gecko, and this is the smallest lizard of the whole Northeast India. This much lizard size. This much is the smallest, and most of the geckos, ঘরর যে জেঠি থাকে বা টিকটিকি, these are night active. This টিকটিকি or জেঠি, this is day active. Okay, so this is special. All the others are night active. They all the time you see Jethi at night, but this one, this one deep inside the forest. You don't see it in home. It is in the forest, but it is found in the daytime. Okay. Now next one. This is our house gecko, common house gecko. Whatever you see above you, this is common house gecko. Do you know?
I seen it.
You have seen it. In our house, there are 3 species. Amiki Babu, all are same. They are not same. There are 3 different species of house lizard roaming in our home? If you want, and if you remember, I will tell you how to identify. At the end of the program, you have to ask me. Let's see who remembers. There are 3 species found in our home. Okay. But I will tell you how to identify them. 3 different species. Okay. This is common.
Sir,
Yes.
which is the point?
No lizard which is venomous. If lizard bite, nothing will happen in Guwahati, Assam. No lizards are venomous. Okay, don't worry about them. Okay. Then let's go to the next slide. This is skink. This is a very beautiful another one. Skink near your drain and all. You see this in Assamese. It is known as Monikera. This is also a beautiful one we see near our drain. Okay, this is known as sun skink. Okay, many lined sun skink. Many lined because there are so many lines. There are so many lines. So many lined sun skink. Why sun? Because sometimes its skin is so smooth that it acts as a mirror. So it reflects sunlight sometimes. Maybe for
How
that
much time left?
a little bit. Why? Tell me. So we'll go to the next slide.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, what is the Assamese name of many-line sunscreen?
মনিকেৰা বুলিয়ে কয় সবকে মনিকেৰা এনেকে স্পেচিয়েলি একো নাই যিমান কেইটা এনেকুৱা আছে স্কিং টাইপ মনিকেৰা বুলিয়ে কয়
Thank you, sir.
Okay, so this is known
Sir,
as,
what is this?
I will tell you mic off.
Sir, this lizard is poisonous.
I'll tell you correct. This lizard is actually this lizard has a lot of bacteria in its mouth, so if it bites, its mouth is so big, so if it bites it will create problem. So this is the biggest lizard of Assam, this group Varana.
Sir, where does it live?
It lives in village near water bodies and all. It generally in near water bodies, so in Guwahati you don't have to worry about it much. You will not see it much until and unless you are near Ajra, Diporbil area. There you may see some of these, but in Guwahati, no. They are huge. In some hill area, Kamakhya and medical college, this area, there may have some. But you don't have to worry in city center. Now, there are some questions automatically you will have in your mind. Okay. So here, the house lizards, top. There are 2 house lizards. Okay. So there are 2 house lizards. One is black and one is yellow. One is black and one is yellow. But they are not 2 different species. They are same species. So
I've
lizard,
seen the black one.
you also will see the yellow one. If you see near the light, all the lizards are yellow. But when they are coming out of dark, they will be, so lizards in the light become little yellowish and in the dark they will become black. Okay. So lizards do change color. Like the master changing color is chameleon. The master changing color is chameleon, changes color more than anyone else. These are same species, but they can also change color. So there is a common question: do Thespian drink blood? Many people think this Thespian drinks blood. That is why Thespian. No, they don't drink blood. How they will drink blood? Does they have Wi-Fi network in their net that they will drink blood through Wi-Fi? No. Can lizards fly? No, lizards do not actually fly. This type of lizard glide. They don't fly. Okay. Next is, how does, this is a very important question. How does house gecko walk upside down? Have you ever imagined how does house gecko walk upside down? It does not fall. So
Yes,
Sir,
sir.
this
sir,
is
they have something sticky in their hand,
okay.
in the food and
Don't answer now. This is a question for all of you. Write in the comments, write in the chat box. What do you think? Why house lizard can walk upside down? And we'll check your answer at the end. Okay. Why house lizard walk upside down? And if you have given correct answer, I will tell your name, or else I'll give you the correct answer. Then, are lizard poisonous, venomous? In Assam, no. Why lizard break off their tail? Have you ever thought of why lizard, if you hold a lizard, why they break off their tail? You did not pull their tail out. They intentionally break their tail. Why? Because after the tail falls, what does the tail start doing? It starts doing like this, wriggle. And what happens if you are a enemy to the lizard and you want to eat the lizard? You will focus on the tail of the lizard, and the lizard will run away. So it is actually the way they protect themselves. They lose the tail, but they gain the life because they save their life. You look into their tail and they will run. Okay. Okay. So now we come to the next part, and we'll do it very simply. What are snakes?
Sir,
Yes.
tails regrow কেমনে হয়?
Tail regrow কেনেকে হয়? Very good question. Can you hold this question till the end? I will come to answer this. Just hold the question till the end. মনত ৰাখিবা এই কুৱেশ্যনটো মোক লাষ্টত চবৰ কুৱেশ্যন ল'ম। আৰে কুৱেশ্যনটো ল'বই লাগিব, কুৱেশ্যন হ'লে না আড্ডা মাৰি মজা লাগিব ন, কুৱেশ্যন ল'ব লাগিব। Okay, next, what are snakes? Reptile, আগত যি what I have told you earlier, they have scale. Whatever lizards have, they also have more or less they have the same thing because they are reptiles. Where they are found, almost like lizards, they are found throughout except for the cold area. So how many species of snakes are there in the world? There are about 3,879, almost like touching 4,000 species. So there are lots of species. You see many of these you have.
The famous snake in India is King Cobra.
Okay, I will come to that. Yes, famous snake is King Cobra, but I will come to that. Okay, so you do not have to think of King Cobra. That is the problem. We only think of famous things, but what lives near our home, we don't give them patta. We have to give
Sir?
patta. Yes.
Is king cobra more venomous than black mamba?
I told you all the questions for the end. Just remember this, and we'll, because then everybody can question. No, ek saath mein we'll have a lot of fun. So first you see all these things, and then at the end we'll discuss all this. So again, the same question: which is the longest snake, smallest snake, and which is the longest snake? Okay. Now, smallest snake is Barbados thread snake, which is just 10 centimeters. This much. But which is the longest snake? I have not given it here. Don't answer in the mic. Don't answer in the mic. Don't answer in the mic, because then everybody will know. Just write the answer in the comment quickly. What is the largest snake? I have told it. What is the longest snake? I have told the answer. No. Pranavjyoti Sen. Vaibhav De. No.
Sir, I can't hear you properly.
Okay. The answer is there now. Shivashish has given, Galaxy M10 has given. It is reticulated python. I have already shown you. Okay. I have already shown you. I was just checking your memory, how much you can retain. Reticulated python is the longest snake. It can go up to 21 feet. I am almost 6 feet. 2 inches less than 6 feet. 5 feet 10 inches. They are how much time longer than you can just understand? 21, 22, 23 feet they go up to. Huge snake. Okay. Next. Have you seen them again? Have you seen this? I will wait, but don't answer in the mic. Just answer in the comment. Have you seen this snake? What is its name in Assamese? What is the name of this snake in Assamese? Tell me. Or Bengali or Hindi. What is the name of this snake? This is the most common snake. This is the most common snake. No, not all harp is fatty harp. Sania. Sobe koy fatty harp. Shivam. Pratishtha Shivam has come up with the right answer. Manthan Datta is also giving the right answer. Dhora harp. Dhora sap. This is water snake, and this is absolutely non-venomous. It has no venom. We just think that snakes are having venoms. No, they don't have venom. 90% snake do not have venom. Okay. Okay, next. This is known as Bamuni harp, buff tip killback. Bamuni harp. কিয় বামুনি সাপ কয় মই বামুন ওকে so মোৰ গাত এটা নগুন আছে this is my I don't know if you can see this is my nogun so this snake is also having such structure ei to soa this nogun type a mark so this is known as bamuni hap or bamunor pora bamuni hap and this is also known as buff stripe kill back okay next this is red neck kill back बहुत धुनिया हाप red neck एकदम easy नाम डिंगी to ronga it has a neck which is red in color that is why it is known as red neck killback this is little bit venomous this is little bit
water snake?
huh? It is a water snake it stays near water it is not water snake it does not live always in water dhora hap is more water snake it lives more in water okay then this is another very small interesting snake known as blind snake if you see here
It's looking like a artworm.
Yes, sir.
it is looking like a earthworm but it is not because earthworm will not have scales earthworm will not have scales in the body but this snake will have the scales so one way to differentiate between earthworm and snake is that you have to see if it is scale or not if it has scale it is a snake if it does not it may be earthworm so if you see it has a eye but this eye is of no use it is under skin it is covered by a skin so small eye it does not see anything so that is why it is known as blind snake and it lives inside the ground it lives inside the ground that is why it is known as that is why it does not need eyes because it lives please switch off the this one Aniket please check okay so it lives inside the ground so inside the ground it is completely dark so it does not need eyes so it does not have eyes it is a blind snake okay but very interesting if it is blind then how it is going and how it is moving without getting stuck somewhere I will tell you the answer later this is cat snake this is eastern cat snake so why it is known as cat snake because its eyes are like cat you see vertical pupil the eye is like a cat okay that is why it is known as
Sir, is it venomous?
it is mildly venomous mildly it will not kill human the venom is not enough to kill human but for small birds it may die so it is mildly see it is not like always venomous and non-venomous it is some are venomous some are non-venomous and some are in between where the venom will not impact human but small birds rats they will die okay then this is the most beautiful snake of Guwahati the ornate flying snake so again flying lizards I have told you this is flying snake it does not fly but it glides it jumps from the tree and then glides okay so it's not actually it doesn't have wing to fly but it glides so it's very beautiful okay then this is known as barred kukri snake why it is known as kukri snake in
Sir,
Nepal
I have seen this
very good
snake
very good
in Hasimara jungle.
वाह हंस के मार दिया हंसी मारा okay now you can again switch off the mic so now there I see someone there is Nepali in the group so if you know if you are Nepali you will know that Nepali there is a name kukri is a dagger Nepali dagger are known as kukri dagger means knife Nepali
Sir,
knife
I am Nepali.
you are Nepali so you have heard about kukri right
Yes, sir, I have heard about it.
okay very good so kukri means a knife or Nepali they say dagger as kukri so this snake the teeth just here the teeth are like very big and they are like kukri so that is why they are known as kukri snake but they are totally non-venomous then I'll come to common wolf snake so why it is called wolf snake again it is something to do with teeth they have this front teeth here the teeth they are little big like wolf like dogs they have long teeth this is also having long teeth okay common wolf snake
Is it venomous?
no it is not I will till now whatever snake I have shown you none of them are venomous okay when venomous comes I will tell you this is copper headed trinket snake very big snake very ferocious snake but totally non venomous okay Then this is red snake, Indian red snake. See, red snake. How a snake can be red? So can anybody answer
Sir, I
the
have
question?
seen.
Ah, good. But can
Sir, I
anybody?
have seen.
Very good. But can anyone answer the question why it is known as red snake in the comment below? Fatafat.
Because
Fatafat.
of the sir, his body structures.
Its body structure is like rat.
No, sir. In his sir mouth of just like a rat, and the neck of the very thickness, and the other part of the body is very tight,
Eh,
and there are very
No,
fat.
sorry. Pratishtha has already given the answer. It eats rat. It eats rat mainly. So it is known as rat snake. Pratishtha, very good. All of
Sir,
you
I
should.
also seen eating rat.
Very good. So Pratishtha has given the answer, and you have. What is your name?
Sir, Pranavjyoti.
Pranavjyoti, I cannot. You always tell your name before you answer because I don't see you people, na. Then we'll go to the next one. Fatafat. Who can answer? I have written it. What is in Assamese? What is this known in Assamese or Bengali? Fatafat. Who gives the first answer? I'll only. Okay.
Sir, I
Okay.
don't know so much about snakes.
Papuri has given the right answer. It is Ajgar. Python to Yasmin has given Ajgar. Yes, it is an Ajgar. Okay. It is an Ajgar. Okay. Very good. Good student. Now, this is a cobra, Fetihab. So, all these snake I have shown you, none of them were venomous. Okay. But this is the first snake I am telling you, which is venomous. And you should be afraid of this snake because, but it is very easy to understand. It has this small chakri in the head and it will always do like this. So it is very easy to understand. This is a chakri, feti or monocled cobra. This is a venomous snake. Now, this is a very new
Sir,
snake.
it spit or not?
No, it spits, but it is not true spitting like you see spitting cobra in the Discovery
sir.
Channel. They are not like that. Okay, they cannot spit like those. So this is a very interesting snake, and you will be happy to learn about this snake. This is just last year this snake was discovered, and this snake is also from Guwahati. The photograph I have taken it from Guwahati. So this snake is also present in Guwahati. It is known as Salazar green pit viper. So have you seen Harry Potter? So many of you have seen.
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Yes,
Oh, I
sir.
know.
Sir, I have seen a
Yes, AC. Once one person say yes, so many yes. So you have seen Harry Potter. So Harry Potter, there was a character Salazar Slytherin, right?
yes,
So
sir.
after him,
Yes.
after
Yes, sir.
that,
In the school.
yes, after
Yes,
that, after that Salazar, this snake is named
Sir.
Salazar. Yes, yes. Wait a minute, I am just almost end. Cool facts. This is the last part. Cool facts about snakes. Okay. So I told you snake does not have ear. So how they hear? The bati. Oh, they do this snake charmer. How do they hear? Because they do not have any ear. So the answer is
Sir, I know.
Sir, they get attracted by the design of the
Sir, they can.
design.
They have very strong vibration. Sir, they have very strong feeling.
see what happens when you talk. So many people talk. Wait. Shanti. You have given right answer. One of you have given right answer. Snake cannot hear. They are deaf. So snake charmer will do pong. So snake charmer will move the beam and snake will just follow the beam. Somebody's mic is again on. Please switch off. So snake charmer with the beam, the snake will move. Even somebody does with hand like this, the snake will move. Okay. It does not.
Hi, sir.
Hi. Okay, please. I am almost done. So the snake will move if you just show them the hand. So snake cannot hear. I'll ask you all these questions. Okay. Now the next question is, I told you the blind snake, how does it move? You know, the snake sees this world with its tongue. That is why snake are always bringing their tongue out. तुमको चिढ़ाने के लिए नहीं, They are always bringing their tongue out because through their tongue they taste the environment. All the molecule in the environment they taste, and they basically see the world with their tongue. So blind snake do not need eyes. They just use their tongue to see the, as you see the eyes to, snake also use their eyes to see the world. But even in the case of blind snake and all, yes.
Sir,
Yes.
how much more time is there?
Almost 5 minutes. 5 minutes. Okay, because I'll be finishing off at 1 hour. Na? This is a 1 hour program, so I'll be finishing off 1 hour. So okay.
Sir, we will do always.
Huh?
Always.
What?
Sir, this online.
Well, I'll tell you, not now. I'll tell you later. Wait now. I just listen to me, okay? So they just flicker the tongue and taste the environment, and they just see how to move, okay? Then many people think snake will come and drink milk of their cow. Many in the village think that the snake comes and drinks milk of their cow. How the snake will drink? To drink something, to sip, to suck, you need lips. Snakes do not have lips like this. You need, even if you do drink Pepsi with a straw, you have to do, and this is because of your lips. But snakes do not have lips, so they never drink cow milk. And even if you in the Nag Panchami and all, if you, many people make snake drink milk, snake cannot digest milk, they may die. So this is all very bad. Many people think if you kill a snake, you should not kill a snake, but by chance if snake dies, many people think the snake will follow, the snake will come and snake will take badla. A small brain, they don't know anything, they don't remember anything. The small brain, they don't remember anything, no badla. Okay, but you should not kill snakes. Snakes are very important. So how is venom produced? There is a salivary gland here. In this salivary gland, which is known as venom gland, this is a modified salivary gland that we have. And from this, the venom is produced and comes through the teeth, and when they bite. Okay, these teeth, modified teeth are known as fangs. Okay. So tell me, how many of your parents have seen this serial Nagin? Question, answer quickly in the chat box. Chat box, answer quickly.
I don't see serial. I see.
How many of your parents, or how many my parents, Manas Chetri, Oppo, my parents, Jitul, my sister, Shivan, I also, Shohini, no sir.
I watch snakes in the city.
Okay, grandmother, yes. Parishmita Shivam, I also. So you see,
Sir, I had seen a snake in real life.
okay, I will talk about that later. Just 5 minutes more. And Magin. So in real life, a snake cannot turn into a person.
Sir,
Sir, snake come in my house 3 times.
Okay, I will talk about that. Just let me finish 3 more minutes. So snake can never turn into a human, and human can never turn into a snake. This is not possible. Yes, just hold on for 3 minutes. I'll come and answer every question. Okay. So I'll not, they are very important. Without snake and lizard, we cannot survive. They are very important for ecological balance. So if you see why I have given this Janmashtami Dahi Matki festival in Maharashtra, everybody is looking to break this matki, and everybody wants this matki to be broken, and everybody is focusing on this fellow at the top. But those fellow at the bottom, if they are removed, will he stand? No, everything will fall down. Our snakes are such. They are very important for our ecosystem. If we remove snake, the whole system will fall. Okay. Then they, as you see, rat snake, they help us by eating rats. And then the lizards in our home, many people complain, remove lizard from our home. This lizard eats the malaria causing mosquitoes. So they are very important. Okay. And this is the venom, how it is produced. Okay. Some species, not everyone. But most importantly, lizards and snakes are amazing. Okay, they are just amazing. So now I have ended. Now what I'll do is I'll stop screen share and I'll come to you, and I request you, whoever can, just switch on the mic. Sorry, switch on the camera. I want to see all of you and
Sir,
talk.
I don't get the option
Sir,
of camera.
Sir, I
Camera.
don't get the option of camera.
Also,
I also don't get the option of camera.
Sir, I don't get the option of camera.
Okay, no problem. Then there may be some problem with this. Maybe because it is a webinar, so maybe there is some technical error. No issues. Now, one by one, whatever there is a question, you can ask, but one by one. Okay. First, the one who raises hand, I will ask the name, and then he will talk. Okay. Okay. Now, mic off, one by one. Now I'll go to first name I see is Pranabjyoti Sen.
Yes, sir.
Tell
Sir,
me your question.
Sir, where can we find black mamba?
We can find black mamba in Africa. Black mamba cannot be found in India. Why it is known as black mamba, I can tell you. Because inside of its mouth is completely black.
Yes, sir.
Meghalide, you don't have the option of this one. Microphone, no issue. You can write the question. And Rupankar, I'll come to everyone. Pranav, are you happy?
Yes, sir. Sir,
Okay,
I
now-
have also one question left.
Yes, Pranav, ask me.
Sir, in the Ramayan story book, we have seen that Lakshman turns into snake.
So
Sir-
Ramayan is a story book, na Baba? Ramayan is a story book. You are telling only,
Sir.
na? Ramayan is a
Sir.
story book. So Lakshman can
Sir.
turn. Wait, who is this? One by one. Lakshman can turn into snake, Lakshman can turn into tiger. But in reality, can you turn into a snake?
No, sir.
Bas, you have given your answer. Okay, Pranabjyoti, switch off your microphone. Next question, you raise your hand. There is an option. See at that below, raise hand. There is an option, raise hand. Or you can just, acha, now I'll come to Pratishtha. Pratishtha,
Sir, so you
Yes.
have told there are 3 species of gecko at our home. So what are how can we identify them?
yes, very good, Pratishtha. You just reminded me the question. I have to show you another slide and I will tell you the answer. Okay. Wait. Just a minute. I am giving you the answer. Here is the answer. I am just going to share the screen. Okay. Otherwise, you will not understand. Okay. So this is for big people, adult people. I made a presentation, but because you are interested, I am showing you. Okay. So this lizard, there are 4 lizards. These 3 lizards, I told you. This lizard stays in your home, Cachin smooth gecko. This lizard lives in your home, Brook house gecko, and not this one. And this lizard stays in your home, common house gecko. So how to identify it? Very simple. One lizard, full body smooth, tail smooth. Remember, body smooth, tail smooth. Ekdam smooth. You see, body, tail, everything smooth. One, body khirkhira, body walty, tail walty, body walty, tail walty. What you learned? One, body smooth, tail smooth. Okay. Another one, Brooks, body walty, tail walty. Okay. And the last one, body smooth, tail walty. Pratishtha,
So yes.
can you identify now from now on?
So
One,
yes.
one is the Cachin smooth gecko. Cachin, just remember Cachin. Body smooth, tail smooth. Next one, Brooks. Body rough, tail rough. Brooks. Common house gecko. Body smooth, tail rough. Done?
So yes.
Okay, I'll stop. So very easy. Body smooth. Now, Pratishtha, body smooth, tail smooth. What?
Kachin.
Body rough, tail rough. What?
Body rough.
Brooks.
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 Body smooth, tail rough.
Common house gecko.
Good. You are done. You are now a scientist. You teach your parents, take photograph with mobile, and you will get the answer. Body smooth, tail smooth, Kachin. Body rough, tail rough, Brooks. Body smooth, tail rough, common. Okay. Then next question, who wants to ask?
Sir, I
What is your name?
Pranav Jyoti.
Pranav, no, Pranav, Pratishtha, you have to wait for your turn. Okay?
Sir,
You-
Me.
Pranav,
want to say.
Sir,
wait, who said your name, please?
Sir,
Everybody will get chance. I will not go. I will stay like 1 month here. If you want, I will stay 1 month, but slowly. Okay. Jitul, tell me.
Sir, what is the venomous snake in the world?
There it is very, Jitul has a good question, but the answer is very tough. So there is no one snake which is most venomous. Venom depends on many things. See, one venomous is how much venom it produces. One venomous is one drop venom is how much potent. ঠিক আছে? So it does not mean like king cobra. Common cobra, our spectacled cobra or the monocle cobra, Fetihab, is more venomous than king cobra. Okay, their venom potent is more. The venom power is more, but king cobra produces more venom, so it can kill many elephants together. But this one, Fetihab, may not kill many elephants together because the quantity is less, but the venom power is more. If you take 1 drop of king cobra venom and 1 drop of Fetihab, so our Fetihab is more poisonous venom, venomous venom. Now, if you have roughly to say the world's most venomous, there are few snakes like inland taipan in Australia, the black mamba in. Now again, it depends on the aggressiveness of the snake. Some snakes are venomous, very venomous, but they are not aggressive. So tar naam to bodnam no hoy. ঠিক আছে? There are like cobra or bodnam cobra because cobra has venom and it is aggressive. But there is one group of snake known as krait. They are not aggressive, but more venomous than cobra, but their name is not Vednam. Okay, then I see everybody can type in the chat who wants to ask the next question. Okay, so Shohini already, Shohini has asked. Okay, Shohini, tell. I'll come to you next. Okay, you just write question. I will tell you name one by one. You just write in the I have question. I will come to you. Okay, Shohini, tell.
Sir, why do snakes shed their skin
Very
and
good
how?
question. Very good question. Very such clever children I have today. So Rupankar, you please check who is next. Okay.
Sure, sir.
Okay, you just tell me the name and accordingly I'll answer. So what is the question? Why does
Sir, why do snakes shed their skin and how?
Okay, snakes shed their skin because the skin, we also shed our skin. We don't realize skin. If you in the morning when the sunlight is coming through the window, you see small dust in the whole room. It is not the dust actually. It is our skin, small skin. So we also, because our snakes, what happens? Snake keep on growing, and the outer cover of the skin becomes small to accommodate them. So because they keep on growing from inside, they have to break out of the old skin and generate a new skin, because the old skin getting smaller inside. This is like our shoes. Like class 5 shoe, I cannot wear it class 8 because that has gone small. Next, because snake has to crawl like this, so their skin, the top layer of the skin gets damaged. So they have to keep on changing that layer so that it does not hamper their movement. That is why snakes shed their skin. But how do they check? They generally seem to look into a branch or any boulders or rocks where they can put their head in. And it is like moza. I will show you how. Wait a minute. So, wait a minute. So this is Pakarlo, this is a snake. This is a snake. Okay. So what it will do is it will try to do this. Slowly it will keep on skin. So this is how they need a support. They need a rock, they need a branch, they need a twig to get their head stuck, and will do this, and this will come out like this. Okay. Okay.
Sir, I
So
have seen this process.
Yes, sir.
okay. So next, who will be the next?
I have one question.
Wait.
I
No.
have a
question.
No. I will not let you speak.
So we have Galaxy M01.
One after one other. Okay. Galaxy M01.
M01.
Tell me, who are you?
Sir, my name is Katif Ahmed.
Okay. Tell me.
Sir, sir, is black mamba more venomous than king cobra?
I don't think. Yes, black mamba should be more venomous than king cobra, because king cobra venom is not that great, but because of the size of the king cobra, we think that king cobra is pumps lot of venom. It produces a lot of venom, but I think more venomous is. You are right. Black mamba should be more venomous. Okay, next question. I see it as Bebop Day.
Sir, I have a question.
I have a question.
Hi, raw. One by one. Hi, Dada. Bebop, ask. Vaibhav, sorry.
Hi, Jadid, how are you?
Hi.
Partho.
Partho re bhai, hai. Vaibhav, please ask.
Right. Vaibhav, ask me a question.
I have 3 questions.
Okay, ask.
Green mambas are poisonous.
Yes, they are venomous. We don't use the term poisonous. We use the term venomous. Yes, they are. Next.
Lizard still.
Lizard still. Yes, they get rid of that. Yes.
How grow?
Oh,
Lizard say how grow?
very good question. I forgot. So lizard, like our liver, not all the organs have the power to regrow. Okay. So some organs have a special power to regrow. Totipotency. It's a very technical thing, but they have the power to regrow. Like our liver, even if we cut out 75% of our liver, the liver will regrow back. Similarly, but if I cut my finger, it will not regrow. So some organs have a special power to regrow. So tails of lizard have that special power to regrow.
Dinosaur names.
Tell the dinosaur names. Tell. Everyone can listen to it.
Dinosaurus, Stegosaurus, Oviraptor, Styracosaurus, Kentrosaurus, Argentinosaurus, Pachycephalosaurus, Diradenum, Iguanodon, Triailodon, Carnotaurus, Quasarpilonus, Mereolix, Ankylosaurus, Brachiosaurus, Consonaphor, Dilophosaurus, Dimetrin, Chalcopus, Velociraptor, Tyrannosaurus Rex.
Baap, dangerous. All of we should clap, and Rupankar, we need a certificate for him, okay?
Yes, sir, definitely.
We will have to give a certificate
I
for
just note down his name.
Vaibhav Day, okay?
Okay.
Because he is
He's actually dinosaur freak.
Okay, great. Thank you, Chol bhai. Okay, next question. Who? Jitul?
Sir, I want to say.
Sir, Pranabjyoti said.
Wait. Those who have already asked question, I will come to them later. Jitul have asked. Pratishtha has asked. Pranabjyoti has asked.
want to ask a question.
Who is it? Tell your name. No,
Gaurav Moral.
I will come serial wise. Gaurav, you write in the comment. I will come to you one by one. Okay, Galaxy M1 already has asked. Komal Thapa. sir, one question. Tell Kamal. Kamal, are you there?
I think he has left the
Okay,
meeting.
Kamal leave. Then Papuri. Papuri, you have a question?
Yes, sir.
Yes, Papuri, please.
Sir, my name is Nior.
Okay. Your name is Nior. Who is Papuri?
Papu is my mother's name.
Okay, your name is Nior. Very good. Nior, very nice name. Very nice name. Okay, Nior, tell me.
Sir, আমি হাতটো দূৰৰ পৰা দেখিলে পয়জনাছ হয় নে নহয় কেনেকৈ গম পাম?
দূৰৰ পৰা দেখিলে একো অৱস্থায় কোনো অৱস্থায় গম নোপোৱা যে এইটো পয়জন। একচুৱেলি আমি পয়জনাছ বুলি ৱৰ্ডটো ইউজ নকৰো। পয়জন ইজ সামথিং এলছ, ভেনম ইজ সামথিং এলছ। পয়জন মানে কি জানানে? পয়জন মানে তুমি যদি তোমাৰ ভিতৰৰ পৰা কিবা বস্তু বনোৱা, ভিতৰৰ পৰা, লাইক ফ্ৰম ইয়ৰ বডি, ফ্ৰম ইনসাইড, ইট ইজ নন এজ ভেনম। সাপে তাৰ ভিতৰৰ পৰা বনায়, লাইক আমাৰ থুক, সাপৰ থুকৰ দৰে ভেনমটো হয়। So it is venom, it is not poison. But if something is in your hand, like kiba beya suisa, it is poison. The thing which you are not producing. So hapor khetrot it is never poison. It is venom. So venom, hap duror pora venomous hap chale ketiao gom nopua. Best is all of you, june june khuni asa, best is if don't মানে হাপক এটা যদি রাস্তা দি দিয়া, if you allow snake to move, they will move. If you block their way, then they will become aggressive. কেতিয়াবা যদি ঘৰত হাপু সোমাই আহে, নামাৰিবা তাক। হাপ মাৰিব গলে উল্টা কামুৰি দিব পাৰে। You should give them the route to go out. হাপে তোমাৰ ঘৰত থাকি ভাল নাপায়। They don't like staying in your home. নহলে তো 5-star হোটেলত তাজত থাকিলেহেঁতেন হাপ। Half is not built for ভুলে ভুলে কেতিয়াবা তোমাৰ ঘৰত সোমাই যায়। So you should give them room to go out. Okay, now next question is Gaurav Moral. Gaurav Moral কোৱা, tell me. Gaurav Gaurav গৌৰৱৰ নেটৱৰ্ক বেয়া আছে। গৌৰৱৰ দুটা ইটো শুনা পাইছে। নেটৱৰ্ক, গৌৰৱ, you write the question. Your network is bad. আচ্ছা।
Sir,
হ্যাঁ
sir,
হ্যাঁ
sir, how does the snake fly? Let's say them.
Okay. How does the snake fly? Who is this?
Sir, Gaurav.
Okay. How does the snake do not fly? They just glide. What they do is they just inflate their chest and make it little big, and so that they can glide like a parachute. That's what they do. They don't fly. Then I see
Sir, I have another question.
yes, but another question you have to ask.
Sir,
Network bad. I will go to
Sir.
Sania Yasmin.
Sir,
Yes, it is Sania.
sir, I'm Pratishtha.
yes, sir.
Sania first. Sania will get chance. Sania, tell me.
Sir,
Okay, sir.
King Cobra ক'ত পোৱা যায়?
কিং কোবৰা গভীৰ জংগলৰ ভিতৰত পোৱা যায়। তোমাৰ ওচৰত আমাৰ ওচৰত কেতিয়াও নাপাবা। আৰু do you know king cobra is the only snake that builds nest? King cobra is the only snake that
Or another question.
huh?
Sir, I have or another question.
Okay.
Tespia hape different color change কৰে নেকি?
তেজপিয়া হাফ নহয়, তেজপিয়া জেঠি হয়। আৰু তেজপিয়া কেতিয়াবা কেতিয়াবা জেঠিয়ে যেনেকুৱা কালাৰ চেঞ্জ কৰে, সব জেঠিয়ে অলপ বেছি কালাৰ চেঞ্জ কৰে, তেজপিয়াও কালাৰ চেঞ্জ কৰে। কেতিয়াবা ইয়েলো থাকে, কেতিয়াবা ৰেড হৈ যায়, কেতিয়াবা ব্লেকিশ হৈ যায়। তো কালাৰ চেঞ্জ কৰে। এইটো জেঠি এটাই, কিন্তু ৰং অলপ অলপকে চেঞ্জ কৰে। ওকে,
Sir,
আচ্ছা। এতিয়া তুমিতো বহুত কুৱেশ্যন তোমালোকে সুধিলা, এতিয়া মই সুধিম। ওকে, কিন্তু
Sir,
yes,
sir, I have a question.
who is this?
Sir, I'm Pratishtha.
Yes, Pratishtha.
Sir, you have told that when we touch a lizard,
Hmm.
it cut off its tail and it wiggle. How does it wiggle when it doesn't
Ah.
attach with a body?
Very good question. So have you ever seen মাছটো কাটাৰ পিছতো জাম্প মাৰি থাকে?
Sir, I am vegetarian. I have never seen it.
ভেজিটেৰিয়ান, চ' ভেৰি গুড। এতিয়াতো ক'ব নোৱাৰো যে বেঙেনাটো কাটি থৈ দিলে জাম্প মাৰি থাকে, এইটো এটা
Sir,
টেনচন।
I have seen.
You have seen না? So that is, even if you cut a chicken and throw it, এবাৰ কি হৈছিলে জানা, আমাৰ পিকনিকৰ টাইমত কি হৈছিলে, আমি চিকেন আনিছিলো হা, পাৰ্টি কৰিবৰ কাৰণে, আমি পিকনিক বিহুৰ টাইমত। তো আমি কি কৰিছিলো, 7টা চিকেন আনিছো। চ' আমিতো ইমান চিকেন উই ডোন্ট ন হাউ টু কাট, দেট এক্সপাৰ্ট নহয়, বহু আগৰ কথা। চ' চিকেন কাটি কাটি এনেকুৱা পেলাই দি আছিলো। তো অলপমান পিছত চালো যে ওৱান্স উই কাউন্টেড দ্য চিকেন, 7টা আনিছিলো, 6টা ৰৈ গ'ল। আৰু এটা ক'ত, এটা মূৰ নাথাকা মুণ্ডু কাটা চিকেন উৰি উৰি গুচি গ'ল। পিছদিনাহে পালো জংঘলৰ ভিতৰত পৰি আছে মৰি। মানে বিকজ মাছলটো এটা হেৰি থাকে, নাৰ্ভ ইম্পালস ৰৈ যায়। ইভেন ইফ ইট ইজ গেটস কাট, ইভেন ইফ মাই ফিংগাৰ গেটস কাট, my finger will keep jumping. Okay, even if it is not attached to my body.
Sir, human bodies also do, no?
Yes, human body also do. If the leg cuts off and it falls off, it will keep on jumping. Anything
Sir.
that, yes,
Sir, I'm Gaurav. I wanted to say another question.
yes.
Sir, what is the largest lizard?
Largest lizard is Komodo.
Komodo
Crocodile-
dragon.
Komodo dragon. Lizard, crocodile are other group. They are not directly in lizard. So crocodiles are the biggest, four-legged reptile. But Komodo is the largest. Komodo dragon, which is found in, not in India, but Varanus, the monitor lizard are the cousins of Komodo. Acha, who was the other one who was asking? Sir.
Sir, Pranab Jyoti.
Sir, me.
Sir,
Pranab Jyoti.
Huh?
Sir, Pranab Jyoti.
Okay, Pratishtha, wait, Pranav Jyoti, tell.
Yes, sir. Sir, when the webinar started, you have asked that how does dinosaurs extinct?
Okay, then the answer was given by many. See, we will never know. Okay, Pranav Jyoti, good question. Good reminder.
Sir,
So-
I know the answer.
Wait.
Can I tell?
I know the answer.
I know, I have seen many one of, but there will be quick chaos if you, because I have all read all the answers. So many people said that it is because of the comet.
Nobody knows that why did dinosaurs extinct.
Go.
There are many stories.
So the answer,
There is no theory, sir.
okay.
There is no theory about this.
Yes, right. So the thing is that nobody for sure knows why dinosaur was killed or became extinct, but there is a much almost like very it has very much weightage that many people believe that because of a meteor or comet that fell into the earth, that it was like 1 mile long, and because of it fell into the earth, there was blast there. Plus, what happened? All the because of this, the whole surrounding the earth was covered with dust, and because there was no sunlight coming in, so many plants and animals died. And dinosaurs, because they are very big, some dinosaurs died because of the blast, and some because of the lack of food, they died. So this is how they believe, but there may be because of
The reason of food change, no?
reason. See, ultimately everything comes down to food chain, because that resulted in the disruption of food chain, and finally dinosaur died.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, when the dinosaurs extinct, very small dinosaurs like the lizards were not extincted. Why was it so?
It is a very no dinosaurs. It is a very hard. Who was this? Who asked this?
Sir, Pranab Jyoti.
Okay, Pranav. So it is a very good. Okay, Pranav, you wait. I take another question and come back. Somebody else is also asking.
Yes, sir. Sir, I also know some things about
Wait.
dinosaurs.
Wait, who is that small chikna gala baby? I have question. Who is that? Who is that? Ask. Ask. Yes, ask. What is your name? Boy Bob, tell.
tortoise live কিমান দিন live করে?
Tortoise কিমান দিন live করে? Tortoise live 40, 50, 60 years. They do not live for 300 years for sure. Okay, who else was asking?
Sir,
Prabhjyoti.
lots of things about I have a question.
Sir, why
What-
was
What we can do is for all of you, because we are way over time. We actually wanted for 1 hour. So what you can do is you can in the group or in here maybe in the group you can write the question to us. Okay, and Rupankar give them the inside out link so that they can go into and check the inside out video.
Yes, sir.
And
I'm showing, sir.
okay,
you
Aniket
told
sharing.
that you,
Yes, tell me.
after answering the question you will answer my question.
What was your
Sir,
question?
sir, a last question.
Sir,
Wait,
why
wait,
was
Pranabjyoti.
Sir,
I am
sir
coming.
why was the small lizards not extinct
Okay, very good.
after the
Tough question.
collision?
Very good question, but very tough question because we can only recreate the past. We cannot go and say for sure about the past. We can only imagine that this may have happened. So what happened for the smaller or animals? They survive because some smaller animals survive because the larger animal need more food and they exhausted all their food. But smaller animal can hide inside rocks and they can hide inside many burrows which give them protection for maybe temperature or many other things, and they require very small food, and they also have started evolution. They did some evolution and made them suitable. They got the chance to evolve. But bigger animal, before they can get the chance to evolve, they were like gone. So smaller animal got the chance to stay back for some more period of time, but bigger animal did not have the chance to stay for more period of time because everything was finished. So that smaller animal got the chance and slowly they started evolving again. Okay.
Yes, sir, as much I know, sir, the small animals sir, they stay inside the soil.
Yes. Wait.
Sir,
Pratishtha. Yeah.
sir, the scientists name animals by some biological structure and some their behaviors. Why this king cobra is named the word king?
Again, common name does not mean much. Common name in science, common name are just given. King cobra, even the female king cobra is also known as king and not queen. Okay, so the answer to that question is there. King is a royal. King is like powerful and all royal. So king cobra was a royal snake. It was a big snake and it was a very majestic snake. If you ever see a king cobra, you will know how majestic it is. And it is not like always biting. It's not like that. It is like a king. It is really like a king. It will hardly bite. But if it wants to bite you, it is very less chance that you will escape. But in other cobra, they keep on biting you. King cobra has attitude, which is like king. So maybe that is why they are given the name king.
Sir, last question.
Who is this?
Jitul Talukdar.
Jitul, tell me.
Sir, how do some geckos walk upside down?
Okay. Yeah, very good question, Jitul. I forgot to answer that. So somebody said, yes, Jitul, good. This is a good point. So Jitul, some geckos upside down they walk. They do not have any sticky substance. Because if they have sticky substance, once they will stick, how they will come out? They will keep stick like a Febiquick. Once you put Febiquick, you are just glued. So it is not sticky.
Lamellae.
They have sticky pads.
No, nothing sticky. They have hair
Sir,
like
lamellae.
yes, they have hair.
Lamellae.
They have hair like structure inside their feet, which help them to bind to the surface of the wall, and that is how they can walk. Yes.
Sir, how long does the snake live? Sir,
different snake lives for different time.
Sir, I have also questions.
Sir, you have said that snake don't have eyelids. Sir, how can they sleep? How means they
Open.
can't they
Open.
close their eyes?
They cannot. They just keep it open. There is a membrane which just shuts their eyes, like birds also have. But they cannot, like us, they cannot do this. They do not have eyelids. They have some other membrane, which is not eyelid.
Sir,
Yes.
sir.
Wait, Pranab Jyoti. No, wait. You have to wait.
Sir,
Yes.
so is there any specific
Pratishtha, you have to wait. Those who have, who is this?
Sir, I know lots
Sir,
of
I-
things about dinosaurs.
Wait. Who said I know lots of things about dinosaurs?
Sir, I Gaurav Moral.
Gaurav Moral. Okay, we'll talk about at the end. Remember, we will talk. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Who again in between
Sir, I-
was going? Yes, tell me what is your name?
Sir Sumit,
Yes, Sumit, tell me.
sir, in the largest turtle of the world, sir, name of them, sir, I think leatherback sea turtle.
Yes. Leatherback, it is very big. Right, you are correct. It is a
Sir,
very,
up to 2 meter or 900 kgs, no?
yes. Have you weighed it?
Sir, I have,
Sir, I have
Wajan
seen in
liya.
Wikipedia.
Where did you see? Pranab
sir,
Jyoti,
I have some more questions.
Yes, ask.
Sir, green anaconda, heaviest snake, but why?
Heaviest snake, but why? Because they are heavy.
But sir, their skin structures are not just like heavy.
They are very heavy. They are like tires. This. So they are heaviest snake because they are, I mean, their weight is very, they weigh around more than any other species of snake. Heaviest means they are वजन, उसका वजन ज्यादा है.
Yes, sir. Sir, 136 kgs and
Where
3
you-
meter long.
Where you are seeing Wikipedia?
No, sir.
Where?
Sir, in my book.
What is the book?
Sir, I have some books of animals.
Name the book so that everybody knows.
World of Reptiles.
Very good. वाह, काफी knowledge रखते हो. What is your Sumit, right?
Yes, sir. Sumit Sharma.
Sumit Sharma, काफी knowledge रखते हो. World of Reptile पढ़ते हो. Very good. So maybe next time you people can also talk about little bit.
Sir, I have a
Sir,
question.
Sir, I have
Sir.
one more
I have a
question.
question.
sir, I have a
Wait,
question.
Sumit, wait.
Okay,
Sir,
sir.
I am Pranav Jyoti.
Pranav, you have to wait. Next.
Sir,
who was-
I'm Pratishtha. I have a question.
Okay, Pranav Jyoti, wait. So, Pranav Jyoti, let Pranav Jyoti ask, then you will ask.
Sir, can a green anaconda eat a whole person?
Green and I don't know. Okay.
Yes,
Green
sir.
anaconda may they can eat, but they have eaten or not, I don't know.
Sir,
Because
it can eat 5 feet of a human.
हाँ कोई ऐसे आदमी, there are many magazines who जब झूठ मूठ का बहुत ऐसा लिखा है जहाँ पे दिखाया गया है कि स्नेक ने आदमी को खा लिया. सच में बहुत सारा ऐसा बाद में वेरीफाई हुआ कि वो झूठ बात था. प्रतिष्ठा, you ask now.
Sir,
I
so
have
we have
another
a
question.
common species of reptile named guihap in our homes. So
Verona,
it is a
Verona,
is it a is it a lizard or a snake?
lizard. এই যে গুই হাফ বুলি ভুলতে কয়. It is a snake. Okay, so we are now half an hour ahead over, so our channel will shut down now. So
Sir,
I'm
I
sorry.
have another question left.
I am sorry, Pranav. Can you write us the question in the group? I will answer because our Zoom will just switch off now. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So thank you all of you.
Sir,
And, you write the questions. I will answer. Okay.
Okay, sir.
I will answer as a voice. Okay. Voice
Yes,
text.
sir.
I will
Okay,
send.
sir.
Okay.
Thank
so
you,
all
sir,
of you-
for this
all-
webinar.
Okay.
Thank you,
So,
sir.
Bye bye, sir.
Thank
so
you, sir.
all of you,
Thank you, sir. Bye bye, sir.
wait. All of you switch on your mic. Will you, if we make more webinars like this, will you join or not?
Yes, sir.
All of you, all of you.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir. We will join. Yes, sir. We will join. Yes,
Okay.
sir. We will join.
Yes, sir.
We will join.
Okay.
Next class, I will say many questions.
Okay, sure. So we are coming with the next class very soon. We'll plan out and come, okay? Maybe we'll come with bird.
Yes, sir.
Okay, bye-bye.
Thank you, sir.
Good night.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Bye, bye, sir.
Bye.
Bye, bye, sir.
Good night.
Good night, sir.
Good night.
Good night, sir. Bye, bye, sir.
Bye-bye.
Good night,
Bye,
sir.
sir. Papa.